It's Simon Keeling here. Yes, it's Christmas Day, and I hope your Christmas Day is going as good as mine is. Had a great day here in Womben, but very mild. Sun came out this afternoon, and the temperature's just shot up to 13.5 degrees. So a really warm one, in real contrast to how it was this time last year. Just a very quick recording for you, hopefully understandably. Today, here's the 7 to 10 day mean 500 millibar flow, ECMWF on the left here, GFS on the right. Very similar. UK is under here, look, above normal heights to the south, below normal to the north. This is the period from New Year's Day through to Wednesday the 4th of January, and you can see here that the jet stream really strong across the Atlantic and through the British Isles, hinting at some really unsettled conditions to come, I fancy, during the beginning part of January. Also, just to trace back the lines here, look, from the jet stream across Scotland, they're coming in from northern Canada. I think this could actually mean that northern Scotland could well turn colder, you know, during the early part of January. Not desperately so, but certainly enough for snow. And looking at the GFS, look, some of those lines going back to northern Canada too. So certainly the hint of something cooler on the way. I think the far south of the country stays dry, relatively mild, and I think it's going to be these northern and central areas, so sort of northern England, Scotland, northern parts of Ireland, that see more unsettled conditions, the risk of some strong winds and also some pretty heavy rain at times. Just want to quickly show you these. This is the Arctic Oscillation. Notice how it's starting off in positive territory, look, but see how it's gradually falling off through the forecast period. This taking us up to the 9th of January. And then also look at the North Atlantic Oscillation. That's starting off very positive. Yes, it takes a dip next week as we go briefly cooler towards the middle of next week, but this really nothing significant. But then look, this also taking a slow turn. Now, I'll expand on this over the next few days, but I think this is starting to back up my idea that sort of middle of the month we could find things cooling off, and I think this could take us into a wintry spell of weather during the final third of January. I'm watching the period around the 13th, 14th, 15th for things to start to turn cooler across the whole of the country, and then possibly from about the 18th, 19th, 20th, that sort of date onwards, things turning cooler with perhaps a wintry spell of weather to come. I'll keep my eye on it for you though. We'll watch it and see how things develop. In the meantime, have a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching again, and as always, it's the adverts around this site that keep this site free of charge. So if you see one you like, click on it, go through to the advertiser, it generates revenue for us, and it keeps the site free of charge. So a very Merry Christmas from here at the Weather Centre, and have a great evening. Keep the sun shining.